So the Crate Club General Box just arrived today. This is the Winter 2024 edition. So let's see what's inside. And I said the Winter 2024 edition because this is the General Box, which is a quarterly box. So if you're not familiar with Crate Club, it is a monthly or quarterly subscription service that delivers outdoor, survival, tactical, and everyday carry gear directly to your doorstep. And like I said, this is the General Box, which is delivered every quarter. And as always, this box is huge, but it's basically the same size as the box that I received last quarter. And that was a great box. So let's see what's in here. I'm just gonna give you guys a quick look and get this giant box off my table and then just pick out individual gear to show you guys. Let me take out the cheat sheet right there. So I'm just gonna take whatever's on top right here. It looks like a pouch. This is from Gray Ghost Gear. And let me show you that again because that other shot was out of focus. Gray Ghost Gear. It's just a pouch, and I have so many pouches at this point, but honestly, you can't have enough, in my opinion. Let me unzip this and see what this one's all about. The inside looks like it's made of nylon. There's a bunch of webbing right here. Is it elastic? Yeah, it's semi-stretchy, so it is made out of elastic. A big pouch or pocket right there, a big pocket on the other side with some more smaller webbing right there for some smaller tools. But this right here, I really like. It looks like it has some 550 paracord that wraps around the whole outside of this pouch. And right there, it's just knotted off. And it looks like you can adjust the tightness of that paracord right here so it doesn't open all the way or opens completely flat. That's awesome. So the outside, you can see it has a camo pattern and some Velcro on this side. And it's a dual zippered system right here. Let me zip this back up. Yeah, nice little pouch. So let me check out the cheat sheet and see what it has to say about this thing. It's called the Gray Ghost Admin Pouch. 8 by 5.4 by 3.4 inches, 2 malice clips. It's made of 500D Cordura, laminated nylon, available in 4 different colors. The elastic loops for tools. So yeah, this is a very cool little pouch. I don't own anything from this company, Gray Ghost Gear, so very, very cool. So let's move on to the next item here. And the next item, from the same company, Gray Ghost Gear, and it looks like a vest, a camo colored vest, multicam. So this is the Gray Ghost Minimalist Plate Carrier. It says it carries 2 standard 10 by 12 Isapi plates, 6 rows of Molly style webbing, discrete stash pockets for a variety of small items, and 1 size to fit most body types. So let's take a closer look at this vest that can hold 2 10 by 12 Isapi plates. Those can be inserted right here on the bottom. Some pretty heavy duty Velcro on the very bottom. There you go. Just insert those plates. One on this side, one on the other side over here. Some more Velcro on the outside. There's some plastic fasteners right here to hold together those 2 sides of the vest. And the front and the back is full of webbing for this Molly system right here. Tons and tons of options here. Looks like the top has some Velcro on, both sides. And on the inside, on both sides, it looks like it has some pretty decent breathable padding. So this is a surprise to get a plate carrier vest in a Crate Club. I wasn't really expecting this, but this is the second item from Gray Ghost Gear. As I said, I don't own anything from Gray Ghost Gear, but now I have 2 things. Very, very cool. Well, let me put this off to the side and grab the next item in this box. And I guess this, a hat. This is a cash cap. As you can see right there, what does it say? 6 hidden pockets to stash your stuff. Oh, very cool. Where's that? Okay, so check this out. It's like there's a pocket on the side here. Side sleeve pocket. Let me just open this up. Oh yeah. Check it out. It's a Velcro holding that pocket shut. So there's a pocket right under the brim here. And then on the inside, it says 3 more pockets. Out of sight, on the mind. So check this out on the inside. So there's a pocket right here held together by Velcro. Another larger pocket dead center. We open that up. Yeah, right there. Another one right here. So those are the 3 pockets on the inside. So that's 3 pockets. There's 4. Where are the other 2 pockets? Oh, I see. So the big pocket is what they're pointing to right here. And then on the side, there's 2 tiny sleeve pockets right there on each side. So that equals 6. These 2 little pockets right there, I'm not really sure what you can stick in there, but I guess it's made by this company here, Azo. The Azo cash cap. Let me see what it says in the cheat sheet. It just says A. 4 hook and loop closure pockets, 2 narrow slot pockets. Yeah, I finally found those. High visibility orange mesh on the inside and 100% ripstop cotton on the outside. Looks like it's available in 3 different colors. I have the black version right here. Also, it has a spot on the front for a patch. That's cool. And the back adjustment is Velcro, as you can see. So this is very, very cool. It's not structured. I'm not really a fan of non-structured hats. So I'm not really sure if I'll wear this, especially with having these pockets on the inside and not being structured. I feel like it's just gonna flop all around when it's on your head. I don't know. For being a hat that can hold stuff, it definitely needs to be structured in my opinion. But that is the cash cap. Let's move on. Yo, check this out. I've actually been seeing these on Instagram and Facebook, and no lie, I was just going to order one of these because of how cool they were. This is one of those glasses. I don't know the exact name. What's this called? Hashtag Ben Shot. Yeah, Ben Shot. And it's those glasses that have things molded right into it. How the heck do I open this thing? It's like this just unfolds. There we go. So very well packaged. So check this out. This one actually has a copper bullet stuck into the side of the glass. This is awesome. I mean, how the heck did they do that? Look at that. It just juts right into the inside. That is awesome. And check out this etching on the front. This is cool. About us, Ben Shot started as a father and son team making glassware in a formerly abandoned Thomas Edison furniture factory in rural Wisconsin. And they give you a coaster right there, 19th hole coaster. That's awesome. And then some more things about glass care and all that good stuff. Cheers, made in the USA. The Ben Shot Rocks Glass. Make every drink taste like freedom, featuring a limited edition Crate Club design. This 11-ounce whiskey glass is hand-embedded with a real lead-free solid copper 308 bullet. Ben Shot is a father and son-owned business. I just read that on the box. All the Ben Shot glasses are heavy, high-quality, handcrafted works of art created in the beautiful state of Wisconsin. Each bullet itself is CNC'd from a pure piece of copper by Lehigh Defense in Clarksville, Texas. This glass is sure to be a conversation starter. So it's an 11-ounce glass, American-made, family-owned, and tastes like freedom. This is just freaking cool. I don't really use rocks glasses. I just drink bourbon neat. But I will once in a while have a Monte Carlo, which does require a rocks glass. So I might just use this for my next Monte Carlo. I like it. All right, next, what do we got here? The GeoPress filter and purifier. I'm pretty sure I pulled out one of these last year, a GeoPress purifier cup. Let's break into this box and check this out. I'm pretty sure I already have one of these from a Crate Club. And yeah, one of these Grail filter press cups, just like this. Actually, this looks a lot bigger than the one that I have. Let me get rid of this box here. Some more stuff on the bottom. So let's take it out of this cup here. Check out the filter on the bottom. So these are very useful, especially going camping or anything like that. You don't have to take your bottled water with you. Just take this cup. It is endlessly useful for filtering water. Just find a water source, fill up this cup, and just put this top back on and press it down. The water gets forced through that filter, and then inside you have nothing but filtered water. So this is great. And once it's pushed all the way back down, cap it up, completely waterproof on the top, nothing's gonna leak. Very nice. It says that this one is the 24-ounce GeoPress, the top-selling item that allows users to turn unsafe water into safe drinking water in the matter of seconds. It can remove waterborne viruses, pathogens, and protozoan cysts. It can also filter out sediment, microplastics, stuff of that nature. And the water can be purified in as little as 8 seconds. And it says the filter is good for up to 350 cycles in this guy. That's awesome. Open cartridges are good for 3 years, unopened 10 years. And filtered water can be mixed with electrolyte powders without risk of contamination. So this is a great item for campers, just outdoorsmen in general. This is awesome. I love stuff like this, especially pulling it out of a crate club. So we got a couple more items here. Let's go here. Obviously, this is a knife from Civi. And my favorite part, opening a knife with a knife. And I don't know what model this is. Oh, right here, the Cubit. The Cubit black aluminum handle, black stonewash 14C28N blade. So this is a model that I don't have. And Civi always has the best carrying cases. I mean, it has this really nice protective fur on the inside. Just nice cases from Civi. And there we go. Black aluminum handle, like it said. Drop point blade. Thumb studs on both sides. And oh, it's a button lock. Very cool. Oh, nice. Awesome. And let's see, it's a deep carry pocket clip, and that is reversible. So yeah, this is an ambidextrous knife. Little jimping on top with a little bit of a finger choil down there to choke up on the knife. And I'm loving the lines here. Look how nice and clean the lines look on this knife. This is sweet. And the blade being made of 14C28N, this could make a great beater knife. All blacked out too. I'm loving the black on black look. What do you guys think? That full flat grind too? I like this. And when it's shut, let's check out that centering. All right, it's close, but it's off slightly, but it's not terrible. I can fix that. So this is the Civi Cubit. Civi, yes, Cubit. I like it. Let's move on. All right, 2 more items in there. This is obviously some soap. How do I know? I can smell it, and it's very intense. It says Beast Wash Rugged Beast Bar. Back when I first started YouTube, I did a few videos called Guy Things. And it was basically centered around soap and beard care items for men only. And in those videos, I showed a company called Bearsville Soap Company, which is still my favorite company that I go to for soap. In my shower right now, I have some Bearsville soap. It's awesome. If you guys don't know about that company, go check them out. But I've never heard of this company right here, Beast Wash. That's actually not the name of the company. It says 100% organic Beast Bar by Johnny Slicks right there. So the company is Johnny Slicks. And, oh, dude, really? It has that same, it was like a werewolf, some kind of like Sasquatch on the cover there, but they transfer that to the bar. That's pretty awesome. And this is a very intense smell. Smells good, but very, very strong. So let's see. What does the cheat sheet have to say about this? Johnny Slicks Rugged Beast Bar. Founded by 2 former U.S. Marines, Johnny Slicks is one of the fastest growing organic grooming companies in the country. In October of 2021, Forbes nominated Johnny Slicks oil-based pomade as one of the year's best grooming items for men. So that's pretty impressive. 100% organic ingredients, veteran-owned, rugged edition. This is the juniper berry, cedarwood, and Cuban tobacco. So I've never heard of Johnny Slicks. I've been strictly Bearsville Soap Company and Duke Cannon Soap, but I'm going to have to start checking these guys out because this actually does smell good and it's a veteran-owned company. So I'll go to their website and check out some more of their stuff. I'm glad Crate Club included this in this box. Very cool. And one more item in the box, and that's it. Nothing left in there. This is a Halo Optics Z1000. It comes with a holster right here. There's a belt loop on the back, made of nylon. Let's just get this binocular out here. Okay, so there's 3 lenses up here in the front, but 1 in the back, and this spot right here is for a battery. And the mode button is right there on the side. If I open this up, I don't think it comes with the battery. My desk is a freaking mess right now. Sure you guys can see that. I have this little area right here to work in. I'm not going to clean it until I'm done with this video. So yeah, the battery goes there. Actually, hold on. Yeah, duh. here's the battery right here. So I'm gonna take this out and insert the battery. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
So I just inserted the battery right here, and I just noticed right here on the very top was how you measure the distance of whatever you can see through the eyepiece here. So you push this, and on the screen, it'll show you either yards or meters, and that's where the mode button comes in. You can change either from yards or meters, and then your focus ring is right here. How long of a distance can you see with this thing? Let me grab the cheat sheet. So it says Halo Optics Z1000 rangefinder. Angle intelligence technology accounts for elevation changes between you and the target. Auto acquisition and scan mode lock in multiple targets. Featuring a new body style and a user-friendly ergonomic shape, the Z1000 offers 6 times magnification and up to 1,000 yard range. Calculate distance to a target in just a split second, and then use the scan mode to easily transition between targets. So at first I thought these were just binoculars, but it's actually a rangefinder that can tell you the distance between you and whatever target you're looking at. I don't own any rangefinders like this, but I can put this to use for sure. And the holster here isn't terrible either. It looks like it's a structured nylon. There, elastic, pulls right around that little loop, keeps that flap shut. Very cool. So guys, which one was your favorite item? The Halo Optics right here, the bench shot glass with that awesome copper 308 bullet right there. The Johnny Slick soap, the veteran-owned soap company. The cash cap that's not structured. The Grail GeoPress water filter system. The Civi Cubit 14C28N folder. The admin pouch right here from Grey Ghost Gear. Or of course, the Grey Ghost Gear plate holding vest right here. I don't know, this is a pretty good box this month. I'm gonna add up all the totals that I found online and put that total on the screen right now versus what it costs for this month's general box. Sorry, I said this month's general box, I meant this quarter's general box. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think of this quarter's Crate Club general box? If you guys are interested in Crate Club, I'll put a link down in my description box below, and I have a discount code down below as well. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. This soap right here is so intense. It's right under my nose. It's all I can smell. And go!